Before it happened, what did you want to do with your life? Where did you see yourself going? Now, the it is whatever set off PTSD in you. But the thing is that whatever dreams that you had about what you wanted to be, what you wanted to achieve, it's all still there. Today's video, Barbra Streisand, Somewhere. Hold my hand and I'll take you there. I mean, I always wanted to be a writer. And that was even after the first few times I faced death, because I was 5. And I had a speech impediment, so it made talking a little bit hard. I lost confidence in my ability to communicate through speech. So I wrote. And I kept doing it. And I mean, I am a writer. Now, I maybe kind of sort of figured out how to make a living at it. But to me, the success was making things different. Communicating. Making lives a little better. And that's what I've been doing all along. So, yes, you can get to your somewhere. Now, you might have wanted to be a successful business person. You might have wanted to be a writer, be an artist, be a musician. You can still do all of it. You can still get to your somewhere. Doesn't mean you're going to be making a living at it. But that's okay. Because the joy comes from getting to your somewhere, where your dreams come to life. It's a whole lot better than sitting there regretting coulda, woulda, shoulda, and putting limitations on yourself because of something that happened to you that was totally out of your control. Where you go in your life is entirely up to you. So how about you start working on your somewhere? It's easy to do if you remember, it's your life. Get in and drive it. See you next time.